Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to the final 30 days, not the final 30 days, the final day of 30 days, Lost in Space. Here we are. Alex will give us an intro as to what's going on, and then we'll get on with it. See you soon.
Day 30. You guys actually made it this far, though. There's not a whole lot of you that actually make it to this point. Believe it or not, it sounds, weird to say something like that, but look at, like, if anyone plays like PlayStation or Xbox or whatever, you can see like 30% of people got to the opening menu and got that achievement, It's surprisingly how many people would get a kit like this and, they drop out halfway or whatever. And I think the determination and like everything you guys, if you are watching this and you made it this far, like you guys are like really kicking some butt. Like, I genuinely think it's amazing. And of course,
Okay, so that's it. Day 30. Done, dusted, we're home, and that's mission complete, except it isn't. We still have the quiz to do, so let's get on with the quiz and see just how badly I do. Quiz 6 of 6. Let's have a look and see. Start quiz. Start quiz. You start the quiz by starting the quiz button. LED and OLED stand for light emitting diode and organic light emitting diode. Let's have a look. Light emitting diode and organic light emitting diode. I'm sure it's that one. It's not lazy energy dinosaurs, unfortunately. I wish it was, but it isn't. RGB, when talking about light, refers to red, green, and blue. It's a game where you catch and fight with monsters. Yeah, no, it might be, but no. 3 colours, which you can value between 0 and 255. 0 is none, and 255 is completely on. Unless you've got the type of LEDs that I've managed to get, in which case it's reversed. But there we go. Yep. USB, the big blue cable in the kit, means Universal Serial Bus. This is all questions that we've answered before, I think. Which one of these breadboards is the closest to the actual breadboard? Is that one. Library is a collection of results. Yeah, we've done all these. This is just cheating. This is just asking all the questions from before. That one, and that one. How do you add an internal library? Include library. Yep, there we go. Assuming you have the following section set up. Do something, put code here. What would be a return statement at the end of function do something? Return. Do not return anything because it's a void, I think. Although it could if there was something in there, but I think that's probably that one. Double do something will return a double. Like that. It's a specific number. No, an unknown. Wait a minute. For loops, see example below. Great for the following. Serial print I prints the value of I. So that's going up, adding 1 until it gets to 100. So that's a specific number. That's a while something happens. Set up what is loop. Loop is a function, however it's called infinitely in a loop. Yes, a loop. I think I answered both that and I got told off for that. But yeah, there we go. Which is a character. That's a character. An integer is that. I think that's a double, isn't it? That's a double. String is that one. Yes, that's that. That's that one. Technically, that is also a string, I think. Which is Boolean data. This is the ones that I got confused of. That's true and false, isn't it? A Boolean, I think. The pins on your board with a. That's the. The pulse width modulation. Read write voltage other than high and low. So yeah, I think you can't use that. I think you can use that on it because that gives back but I don't know. I'm just going to go with that. Digital is on, off, true, false, low, high. Which of the following? But there's a lot of questions in this one. This is basically every question that we've already had. I think it's trying to see if you remember it. Analog is within a range of values. It's not just on and off. Arduino setup and loop. Not necessary. They're both necessary. No, that will run infinitely. Yeah, setup will run once. Yeah, there we go. Assume you want to plug in anything 12. Which choice of the code below? So, yes, 12 is not an input, it's an output, and you want to put it high to turn it on. What's on set is correct. For turning on light if switch 1 is on. Digital read, switch 1 is 1. Digital write, high. Digital write, switch 1. Now you want to read from the switch and write to the LED. Is this wiring diagram correct? Yes, I believe so. That's going to ground, that's going to the signal, that's getting power in, and that's getting ground and signal power in. Yeah, I think that's probably okay. Which is the correct way to write an if-else statement? If, else, if condition, statements, you can put a statement in. That would do that. Yes, probably. Yeah, that's the one, I reckon. Do you have any feedback? Not really, but, you know, we'll finish the quiz there. I don't know that I got 100%, but I think I got close enough to pass. There we go, yes. 23 of 26. Let's have a quick look through. See what I got that correct. Correct. Lots of things saying correct. Is there anyone saying wrong? No, they're just showing correct. I just scan through and see if I can. Oh, there's one that said incorrect. So yes, it was that one as well. Okay. That one also was that. Oh, I knew I should have clicked that as well. That's correct. So did I thought I got 3 wrong. Correct. Incorrect. Yeah, the photos register as well. I knew that. And the string is also the big string. Can't see anything else saying incorrect. Scrolling. Yeah, so 24. Oh, I only got 2 wrong. And that was not wrong, it's just that I didn't select them all. So I shall nip back through and get them all correct and be back at the end. And there we have it. Much quicker time, and 25 of 26 because I didn't put anything in the comment box, but I got 26 points. So there we go. I shall continue on and we'll find out what happens next. There we go. We get the Rocky theme song, which I won't play. Get some extra ebooks and other downloads. But yeah, there we go. That was the course. That's completed. I've done apparently 39 of 40 steps. I'm 97% complete. But I don't know what I haven't done. But yes, the series was good. It started very well. It ended. I'm not so comfortable with the wiring. The wiring I'm happy with. The coding I'm not so happy with. But it was interesting to learn some. I might look deeper into it. Ted, not that Ted, another Ted, has been emailing me with suggestions and extra homework, basically, extra stuff to do, which I've been looking at, but I shall look at in more depth as well. So thank you very much for that. And I hope you've enjoyed the series. I shall probably try and find something similar to do at some point, but probably not as intensive. The 30 days was great while I was in lockdown, and you know, everything was where it where I had lots of time to do things. After lockdown, it's been a bit of a push to get everything done each day, but I've done it 30 days, and this video will be released 30 days after the first one. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the little game that sort of works, but is a bit basic, although the coding behind it is so very complicated. It has given me a much better grounding in knowing just how difficult it is to do stuff. So yes, I've enjoyed it. I hope you have enjoyed it as well. Do let me know in the comments below if you have, if you haven't, if you want me to do more, if you don't. Yeah, and I shall continue on. There is one other thing that I'm going to do over the future. I think it would be better to run this game not using buttons, but using the rotary encoder. So you can turn it to go up and down and push it to fire. That, to me, feels like a better answer, but it's going to take me a bit of playing around and figuring out. Obviously, you get rid of the whole library thing and use the code from that to change the positions. So I've got to get my head around it. So it's not going to be an immediate thing. I'm not going to do it now because I'm not going to do it today for today's video. But that would be my creative day today. I mean, obviously, it's possible. Whether it's possible for me to do is the thing. So I'll play around with that. I shall let you know in the comments below if I've been successful in the future. But if you do think it's possible and likely and know how to do it, by all means let me know. But other than that, thank you for watching. It's been a good series. It's been fun. And I shall see you soon for other things and possibly something similar. But thank you for watching.
I'm really not good at goodbyes, but like, again, mega congratulations. You made it this far, and that's, again, there's not a lot of people that actually have the commitment to do something like that. And even if it's, you know, not a big deal to you, it is a big deal. Adios, I'm out.